Um, all right, excellent. Let me see if we are streaming. No, we are not. There you go. We are live. Morning again, guys. Let's have another successful day going on. What happened to you guys yesterday at the end anyway? What did you do? Did you make any more trades or that's about it? Sam, you were 2 hour and Brent was break even.
Yeah, I didn't do anything else after that.
What about you, Sam?
No, it's just 4R.
Just 4 hour? So humble? Just 4 hour?
Just 4R. I mean, I didn't make $40,000 yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah, so
That's the goal, though.
yeah, that's the goal. Okay, so to have a follow through the lookup, we have Oracle that I don't want to touch Oracle today, especially that it's just because it's running. It doesn't mean that I'm going to just jump on it, right? So then we have ATR, right? These Oracle. I'm removing Oracle from my list. Hold on, let me.
Crocs have earnings, so they're gapping up quite a bit.
Nice work. All right.
All right, so
You are good.
let's see what we have. Configure chart zoom area alert trade. Okay, good. Okay, my first attempt to do to long neuro, I closed it with 0.1 R. So we're good about that one. Anyway, so let's move to Oracle. I removed from my list. Space didn't do what I wanted to do yesterday, so I'm not going to touch it unless it breaks 33.45 to the upside. Still stands on my buy list, and it's gonna be a little bit tricky to touch this thing today.
Got filled on NURO.
Okay, okay, let me sell this thing if it drops back.
I'll be right back.
All right.
Good.
All right.
Got filled on NURO.
Okay, so let's see. Okay. So you need to be more attentive to what I do. Like listening to it is okay, but it's more important that so you see that what's going on here.
Got filled on NURO.
Okay, so now we have what's going on here. Then we have last time is gone. Neuro space. Okay, neuro. We have Nvidia. If Nvidia drops back down into yesterday's close, which it is it's far away though. It is like $1, not far, that far. It's anything less than 194. For me, it is interesting to short. But at the open, I would like that it comes down like $1, so I might short Nvidia. Although it's not doing 122, it may become a 2-2 continuation, so it may just rip from there. So I put Nvidia on the short list anyway. It has space to go down, enough to go down. Space, we have it. BTX.
Done?
BTX stood as a 2112. Today is becoming a 2, and I would buy anything above high of the day, high of pre-market. Sorry. This Neuro NRBO shit. I'm not gonna touch it today. Removing it. SGOC just to have fun. I had it just to have fun. I'm removing it from the list as well. Okay. Alright, so alright. So now we get to the list that I posted last night.
Got built on NURO. Got built on NURO. Got built on NURO.
500,
Got built on NURO.
another 400.
Got built on NURO.
So I'm 768 shares in Neuro to the long side. Well, we'll see if it's gonna go for the break of HOD at 33. Okay. Yeah, it will. Anyway, I'm not gonna be too focused on this thing. So the list, did I post it here? Apple, yeah. The first to look at would be Apple. Apple for the long, obviously. I would love Apple for the long, no question asked. Moderna, mRNA. Well, mRNA, I don't like the big red at the top. It doesn't give me confidence to go long. The spread is $1.10 at the moment. I'm not liking this CRM. I don't like the way that they have wicks at the bottom. I don't like this neither. Okay. Alright, so look from here how it's gonna read. Okay, so Cytec again. Cytec stood another day up, well, another day in, I should say. I'm not liking Cytec neither. J&J, Johnson & Johnson. It looks to be it looks to have potential for the bull move. So higher than the. At the moment, it has $1 something, no, 80 cents of spread. But I will go long on the high of the day of yesterday. Go 230. There you go. 1 second, touch 230. 230. Anyway, I'm looking for a halt at the open. Okay. Nvidia, as I said that, well, Nvidia I might consider long if it breaks the HOD, alright? But if it drops back, I will wait until it comes back to the freaking yesterday's close. Then I will take it from there to go long. And yeah, that's my list for now. Let's see what you have, guys.
I'll probably just be looking at Apple
Yeah.
this morning. but leave it alone for the first few minutes, maybe. Maybe wait for a retest. I don't know. I mean, they never come back for a
Got
retest.
built on NURO.
Mm-hmm.
I always seem to get shaken out at the first minute if I try to get in, even if it breaks high of day or low of day or
Uh-huh.
whatever. So I might wait for the retest. And then possibly, I think that might be my game plan for Apple.
Yeah. Yeah, Sam also was mentioning that he doesn't feel comfortable that the open that loss of stock just makes him some loss, and he loses at the open, and then later the day he has to dig himself out
Got
of the
built on NURO.
hole, and then just go after. Just go after.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unless you don't put in a stop loss, right? Because you seem to get wicked out pretty quick sometimes if it's a tight stop loss.
Yeah.
At the same time, at the same time, you have to understand that at the open you get lots of slippage. So hard stops are hard.
Mhm.
You know, even if you have, I can't tell you numerous times where I had almost an extra R loss because of the slippage. So, I mean, to each their own. But you know, for myself, you know, I know like what I have to be careful on and what
Mhm.
works for me. And
Exactly.
well, for me, I'll kind of run through what I like.
Mm.
I like space to continuation because it held its gains from yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
So as long as it can stay above yesterday's close and rally up, I'm gonna like it for a long. I also like Peloton as well.
Mm-hmm.
I like Peloton for a long.
I think I missed looking at Peloton.
Got built on NURO.
Okay.
I like Peloton for a long.
Python, hold on, Python. Python. Oh yeah, Python for long. See, long. But
I'm also
obviously-
liking CYTK.
Cytic. Uh-huh.
Yeah, you said didn't like it. I personally like it because when you have 2 1 candles, it's primed to make a big move. So
Yeah.
either to the upside or the downside, fill the gap. So it looks like it's been holding its gains.
Uh-huh.
Today it feels like it's gonna try and stay above that, you know,
Right.
try to break out to the upside, but
Uh-huh.
you know, it's going to be a big play either today or tomorrow. If it breaks to the upside, it's going to be big. If it breaks to the upside and it doesn't get a big move, then look for a 1-1-1-2-2 tomorrow. But
Mm-hmm.
I think Cytic is going to be,
Yeah.
or Cytokinetics
Yeah.
is going to be a really good play.
The only issue, Sam, is that let's not forget about the short players, the ones that they have already shorted this thing with anticipation of this stock gonna crash. Cytec, I'm checking Cytec short interest at the moment. I'm not sure that if it's 13% short, okay, and the thing is, I'm not so sure that if this stock is prompted to stay that up high just because it jumped on a news, and then now it's just keeping up there. If this thing collapses, it has over $7 to fill up. But let's look at this. If it wanted to get out of if it wanted to go higher, the second day that there was a buy push, it would be able to get out of the short zone, which is the zone between 31.41 and 26.69, which is the high and low of the red candle. So it means that we are stuck in that zone for a reason. And I'm considering this, first of all, it's a battle between short and long, but the battle is more in hands of the short, more in hand of short seller. Otherwise, with that gap, it would have ran, but it's not running and it's just stuck. So I say that shorts are attacking it left and right. That's why it's not going higher. So that's my understanding of this stock. And I'm not planning to just go long this thing. So that's how I'm thinking about it. I don't know. That's just my idea. You know what I'm saying? I'm just looking at a point of market flow and the price behavior.
Yeah, I hear you.
That's my idea, but obviously I would love to see that how you deal with this stock.
Also, SGOC, I'm looking for a 2-2 continuation for a short, yeah.
Yeah, I just removed it from my list. I don't like the way that everything is stuck in the candle of the 13th of July. Everything is stuck there, so, and it's not moving forward either in any direction. It's just ranging in that candle the same. Lots of people are lost, but shorts are controlling this thing. Look at the weekly. You will see a beautiful 2-2 rev. I'm referring to 2-2 reversals as on a strat cheat sheet. 2-2 bearish reversal, and I'm referring to this stock as a 2-2 for a reversal, heavy reversal on short, but it's not dropping. So I'm not confident about it. That's why I just removed it from my list. But it may drop, and if it drops, it's gonna be with PMG, and the target would be 256. You have a 3, it's dangerous. I will set the position. Although we are getting closer to the open, they're gonna be more push to the upside. I might just hold it. But it's better to go in at the open. The open is gonna be very volatile. It will definitely get halted. Definitely. This volume we have we are not, the market is not even open, and we are 8 million, 8.8. Fucking yeah, we are 8.8 million in already. Yesterday this Neuro went on 89 million. The day before 282, and today in the pre-market so far we are 8.8 million. Today the move gonna be much less, but still, I'm looking for a halt at the open. All right. So Brent, what do you think of today, and what do you see? What chat room is saying? Although personally we have our own list, but just to have an idea about the big chat room to see what they think.
They have Neuro, DQ, Crocs. Mostly these things are on earnings, I think, like CROX, Crocs is on earnings. MRIN, Clove, CLOB. Their list is pretty big today. It's Peter doing it.
Where's what's his name?
Carlos?
Yeah.
He must be on holidays.
What about my boy Thor?
They hop on. Well, actually, I think it's Andrew now. Andrew's back.
Got
So
built on NURO.
it'll be Andrew and Brian on in a few minutes, probably. But yeah, that's the top 5 basically.
What are you gonna play?
I'm gonna concentrate on Apple, I think.
Yeah, I will look into Apple too. BTX, Apple.
I put alerts on the other ones as well, but I think I'll be looking at Apple.
Well, I have just one short, which is Nvidia. But I don't think it's gonna be even short. But I'm looking at the open to short it at the open with the aim that it's gonna go back and touch yesterday's close, but it may not. So I will see that how this thing behaves. You know.
So,
Yeah.
Are you still in Neuro?
No, I got out. Exactly in the previous 1 minute candle, and I'm looking to hunt it again. I'm already $264 into the day. I'm coming back from minus 268, I think. Yeah, I am coming back from minus 248 plus commission is going to be 280, and now I'm on 200 plus 264. So basically, I have reached my daily goal now, but that's not what I want. I want to get into one of the halts to the upside. So, you know.
Got filled on NURO.
what's your entry on Neuro?
No, I just accidentally got in again by, I'm at 34.41.
Let's stop at 33.26 or something.
No, at 33.98. There you go. It's ripping. I'm 200 shares in now. But anyway, it's just a play. I want to be in it before it opens. I'm most probably gonna close it and then get in at the open. Even not in 1 minute ORB, the moment that it drops down and it starts to rip back up, I will get in. Have the lowest stop loss and the highest TP. And oh, by the way, I'm going to change my target. There you go, it's ripping. I'm going to change my target to 12R today, so it doesn't like yesterday accidentally take me out. Yeah, baby, 12R. Yeah. Okay. 6R. I just don't want to see my stop, just my TP gets accidentally hit like yesterday. Alright. So 15, this is a good day. 15 minutes before market, you're already set and ready to go. Then maybe I buy some Apple too in pre-market. Spread is 2 cents. It's fairly good, but it doesn't move much. Neuro, I might get out. Maybe not.
¿Cuánto paga por comisión para hacer trading en pre-market?
Huh?
¿Cuánto se paga por comisión?
Well, I don't know the commission pre-market, but pre-market and normal market time is the same. So far, I have paid $85 in commissions. Oh, it's higher. Apparently, it's higher. Wow. I'm paying $85 in commissions, even. Fuck. Yeah, but you saw what happened yesterday, so it's worth it. I'm looking for another push. There you go. I'm 200 in, I will go 500 more in. I have 2,600 buying power on this stock at the moment, but obviously I cannot do that. But I will go with maximum, like another 500. All right. Yeah. Look at that. How about that? Neuro just ripped, and I'm in it. Another 400, another, yeah, 400. Oh man. You know the good thing about pre-market? You don't get halts. So one stock can rip $5-6 in 1 minute, like something like this. Like it just ripped $3. If it was in normal work time, normal trading hours, it will get halted instantly. But it won't now because it's in pre-market. So all right, this is how we play, baby. Yeah. So we just sit behind this. And also considering the PCT, guys, this is exactly how I can play it in PCT, considering that my I never dip down more than 200 in any given stock. I just close it if it does. So I don't want to be political or anything, but why the hell Jared Kushner is running and it's showing up my fucking feed, Twitter
Jared
feed?
Kushner,
Yeah,
Trump's son-in-law.
yeah, he's running. His name is. He just showed up on my Twitter. Not that I'm following any of them, but it's just I don't know, for some reason it popped.
Jared Kushner. Brains of the family.
Yeah.
I'm being sarcastic.
Yeah. Yeah.
He bought the world's most expensive building in New York. And he royally messed it up.
Oh yeah.
Royally overpaid so bad that he needed to get out of debt, that I think he had to borrow money from Russians.
Oh, poor guy, they don't have money. My heart goes for them, guys. My sympathies.
Well, when you're hundreds of millions in negative.
Mm-hmm. Well, there is a saying that too big to fail, huh? Too big to fail. This has been his daddy's strategy to deal with the debt. So you become bigger, and the bubble gets bigger. You never fail because they give you more money. Okay, I'm gonna protect my shirt and my gains here. So look at the inside numbers. There should be level 2, which I don't have, but there should be. Look, when they are you know that 0.88 is to the upside, like to the 9, but 99 is more to the upper side. People are getting in ahead of previous number. But if you see numbers are printing closer to the bottom, in like 30. 301 for 30, 312 for 31. You know, if they want to do that, it means that it has more potential to the upside. But we'll see. It's just all of this is just. I'm assuming that these are assumptions, and the price will print on the chart anyway at the end of the day. Okay, I'm interested to get stuck in a halt. 200, 500 shares in. Look at yesterday's 1 minute candle. Is this candle is $2.07, just the range of the open.
Got filled on NURO.
Oh my fucking god. I got out a new accidentally by a hotkey. Oh no.
Got filled on NURO.
It shouldn't happen. It shouldn't. I'm 5,100 back in again at 37.2. If we pass yesterday's 38.46 as high, which we are passing at the moment, yeah, go baby. See, shorts. See the pink prints? These are attacking at the middle. If this crosses, which is going to break, then we go to the moon. This is yesterday's high that we are passing. Okay. The day is not even open and I'm done. $900 in profit. 1,000. See? Okay, so we literally broke. A pullback to 38.46 is healthy, so I'm okay with it. Although I may sell all and then get back in again. This gap down is not good. But who cares? Okay, Nvidia is on the move. What's happening with Nvidia? Ooh, Nvidia is running now. See, I said that it's not healthy. It's not good. But we'll see. Hopefully it closes green. So you see it's getting red and then it's moving to the upside. BTX. Why space is here? Space. Brent, are you watching Apple with that drop?
Oh, I was on mute. What did you say, Bill?
I said, are you watching Apple and that drop?
Yeah, I see it here. They were just talking about Neuro and BB.
I hate Apple.
Yeah, it's a rough stock to trade. At the open, if it gives you at the open, it gives you. If not,
I just dropped the F-bomb when I was on mute, so it's a good thing I was on mute.
Which F-bomb? I don't know what you're talking about. Did you say Apple is your friend?
Fudge.
Fudge? Fudge it?
I just don't like, if you look at Apple, every single day of Apple, pretty much every single day, you're gonna get a down, then up, then back down. Like, it's just consistently like gibberish.
Uh-huh.
for me. But it does look like a nice 2-1-2 though. Oh, not bad.
Oh, baby, if it gives me one rip to the 42, that would be sweet.
So Brian thinks Neuro's gonna drop at the open and then shoot up.
Yeah, like yesterday. Yesterday,
Yeah.
the open range breakout on 1 minute was $2.07.
There'll be a lot of profit taken off the bat, I
Yeah.
imagine.
Yeah, it
Well, I
was.
don't know if it would be crazy to swing
Got built
this.
on NURO.
Someone with balls or
Someone but with golden balls.
golden balls. Golden
You know what?
polished
I'm gonna
balls.
put a limit order. I'm gonna put a limit order, buy order at
Buy
32, 32,
Limit, yeah.
49.
Oh, you think
I'm
you're gonna
gonna
drop
buy-
to there?
Well, that's the. I mean, this thing has a lot of like, I don't know.
You know, I would 38, 46 is yesterday's high. 38.67. 38.67. Yeah, I will get in like with 500 in. I'm already at 1.7 translates into 10R. Okay, folks, we have 50 seconds to the launch. Okay, Neuro, there you go. That's a drop. I buy the crap out of it.
Yeah, it looks like Andrew's gonna play Neuro here.
Yeah, our boy gonna play. Nvidia is also looking good for long already.
Nvidia?
Yeah. Okay, it's open. All right. Yeah, $2 already. Stop this. Okay, if it goes green, when it goes green, I'm gonna go in. It's dangerous if it stays red. Ooh. Ooh, Apple, look at Apple, fuck's sake.
Yeah, gotta wait for that retest though.
I'm gonna buy Neuro 500. This is not good. I don't like this. Four seconds. Now it's the truth. No, I'm not going to touch this.
Got built on AAPL.
Apple lane. Nvidia is not running. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. It is.
Got built on NVDA.
Okay, J&J is also at the same time moving. Oh shit.
Got built on NVDA.
NVIDIA out with loss.
Oh, Andrew's playing Wiza.
Got built on
W-I-S-A.
J&J.
Where the hell did
Got
that
built
come
on
from?
J&J.
Okay, I'm going long on Neuro. 300 shares. Hold on. We need to this needs to be close green. Oh, 500. Oh, I got no buying power for this. Nice, because of J&J. There you go.
It's gonna close on the. It's
Yeah.
getting close to getting halted on the downside.
Yeah, if it's gonna get demoralized today if it closes negative in a halt. $500 shares in J&J, 125 in Apple.
Got filled on J&J.
Okay, J&J destroyed.
Got filled on J&J.
Okay, I'm going to add to Nvidia. Yeah, it halted. Neuro halted to the downside.
On the
Got
downside?
filled on
Yeah.
NVDA.
Yeah, saw that coming.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. So, okay, space. Looking at space, it's stuck. They're lower than yesterday's. You're stuck on yesterday's close. The moment that it starts to break, this volume kicks in, I'm gonna go buy it. No. Break.
Got filled on AAPL. Got filled on SPCE.
Okay, space 500 shares in. Apple just hit my trailing stop. I'll go back in again though, no problem. Nvidia is also going.
Got filled on SPCE.
Space.
Got filled on SPCE. Got filled on SPCE.
Come on! MRNA, sorry. mRNA. I don't know how to fucking say it.
No worries.
Got filled on NVDA.
Okay. What happened to space?
Piton, what are you doing here, buddy? Oh, are you going for? Yeah, you're going for the. You're going for the short, hey?
Yeah. Space for long 500. That's at 59. I'm gonna come back and touch yesterday's close. Okay, Apple for going back upside again. Nvidia, what happened to Nvidia? Motherfucker. Why?
Got filled on NVDA.
Space shit.
Got filled on
There you
SPCE.
go.
Oh shit.
Good job.
This is not a good breakout. No. It should rip at the moment. Space drop heavy. Apple is going back up again. If it goes back, I'm good. I'm gonna close it. If I get 200 out of it, I will be fine. $2. Okay, let me see my buy power. I'm at 350. get back to this one once it breaks up here. Nvidia is just so playing so bad.
Got filled on NVDA.
Chop out. Neuro is open. Of course, it is SSR. Neuro 3, 500 shorts, 500 locate. There you go. So I'm going to just short it. Let's see how it closes.
Got filled on NURO.
Okay, I'm shorting Neuro 200 shares. I still have 300 more to add later. Come, just drop and hold. It looks like they have widened the spread, man. The spread is almost $1, and then it fluctuates from 10 cents to $1. Space, get ready for space short. If it goes red. I just said it. Look at the.
Got filled on SPCE. Got filled on SPCE.
Oh,
Got filled on NURO.
space. I'm space short 400 shares at 32.78. Also shorting Neuro at 88. 500 shares in.
That's funny. I got into space short at 32.78 as well.
Nice. Great minds think alike. But doesn't look like you wanna give it up. Now we broke a pre-market low. Oh. Oh man, if Neuro drops down here. to drop. If it doesn't drop, I gotta get out. Like that. Okay, space out. Not yet. Let's see what it does around LOD. Look at Apple.
I just got out with 2R on that
Got
one.
filled on AAPL.
I had a 1R loss earlier though. Came back a little more than I stopped was at yesterday's high, I guess.
This doesn't look good.
Space is, I don't know, flaking out here.
No, I'm not liking space neither. It's struggling at the low of pre-market. But it did the fake out, so I'm assuming it's gonna drop from here because it did the fake out at 9:43. That fake out is just take all of the shorts out.
Yeah.
Oh, Neuro is dropping. Oh yeah. Oh baby, come on. Neuro 500 shares short at 88, and it's gonna get halted any second. Come on, just one push.
I don't know if I should get out of space at break even or not.
No, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold. For me, it's short.
Got filled on NUR.
Oh, yeah, Neuro out. But if
Spy's
it-
going up. So.
Yeah, I'm in Apple too, in anticipation of break of HOG 100.
Yeah, that's why I lost on Apple.
Yeah.
I didn't realize Spy was dropping like that, and I was.
Okay.
wrong.
Did you see Brent? Do you see a space?
Oh, I.
Got
back
filled
to
on
it.
AAPL.
Oh, yeah,
Okay,
now it's
Apple out.
supposed to begin.
What's happening here? Like so many things happening at the same time. Space. Okay, I might stop trading in if Neuro. No, okay, no, I'm done with Neuro.
I'm gonna break even.
I'm done. It's gonna drop again. It's gonna drop again. I'm gonna short it.
I dropped space to break even here. See how that works out.
Now I'm locking. I'm locking 10 cents, 12 cents, 13 cents, and I'm locking 23 cents, which translates to $40. So the rest is just a move that I can catch. Bro, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. Just need to-
Wanna update us? NVIDIA is red.
Should take some profit on space.
I'm just
here.
about to short NVIDIA. Space is pulling back, but no, it's a Momo hammer. You see, it gapped down, So now we see what it does. Hammer should reverse the price. If it reverses the price, guess
Yeah.
what? Guess
Got
what?
filled on
Out.
SPC.
Just like that. If it wants to reverse, it reverses. Yeah, I'm flat. I'm going to get back in Apple again. But it needs to break the HOD, huh? Look at the 1 minute candle. It's observing all of the move. All of them. This is a short squeeze. See that? So, when you have a range, you have unaccepted price penetrating outside of the range, pulling back and going to the other side. This is a big sign of manipulation, or as for us translates to reversal. Because look at this. It went up, came back down, triggered everyone out, and then pulled back up. Now everyone bought it. They're taking everyone short longs up, and then pulls back up again. So when it starts to range up again, then we will buy it. We need 2 stairs up candle to go up with volume. With volume, it's just the size is not important. The amount of volume at the point is important too. So if 100,000 people, no, 100,000 shares are stuck at this range, you need at least 110,000, no, 150,000 to get out of this range. The same amount plus new traders to push it to the upside. Otherwise, it's just gonna stuck in the range. You see that what I'm saying? So it needs the force. So this is the force that we're looking at. Okay, BTX is now running for the upside, but I'm not liking its shit. Space wicked me out, and now it's about to drop.
Yeah, I got.
Right?
Yeah.
And I missed on $40 of profit, which is 32 cents. I mean, the amount of money is not important. Although I was in 500 shares in, right? 400 shares in, but yeah. J&J just, I have 3 losers today. Nvidia space short. I'm negative on space anyway. No, I'm positive on J&J. So Nvidia and J&J are negative for me. Yeah, see? Just told you. Did the same wick and then drop back up. There was a good short from here, but not anymore. I'm not liking it. Let's see what we can get out of it. So we wait until it does another move, take some more people out, and then on the stairs up on the downside, we're just getting. Okay, yeah, Apple. Let's see what Apple does. It's Brent.
Yeah.
Watch Apple.
I am.
Nice. No. Nice. That's why we get out of. Look at this. That's why we get out of stock. Just as they make it the first reversal. That's why. Okay. All right. Now we go to. Forget about SPY. So now we go to. Let's see which stock is today's hot stock.
You say forget about SPY.
Me? I'm just not liking it because to me, honestly, personally, I think mixing up SPY when you are in a trade or when you are trading, it's just gonna split your brain into 2 pieces. That one gonna fight the other one for no reason. It's just unnecessary analysis. Like I just make money, not looking at who does what. Holy fuck! There is India globalization and pain reform, Studio City. These are the most active today. Let's take a look at them. Let's get involved in some halts.
I guess we can agree to disagree on the SPY.
No. I'm not saying that I'm right. I'm just totally saying that I could be wrong. It's just this works for me.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, I hear you.
I learned not to look at SPY. I learned trading not to look at SPY. Yeah, the main reason that I just lost control previous, when it was because SPY was always interfering with my analysis. PRFX is the hot runner of the day today. Ooh, we are in a halt, but halt to the downside. No, it's not gonna work. Look at this, we are at 14. Gap is 53. The range is 53.
Euro really pulled back, eh? I haven't looked at it for a while.
We should have looked at this stock. We should have checked. Look at this. Beautiful, isn't it? MSC. Okay, MSC is halted too. Yeah, this could be everyday's thing. Just need to look at the sorry. Glasses.
Bless you.
Thanks. Okay, Apple for the upside, yeah, unbelievable. I'm buying Apple. Come on.
Got filled on AAPL.
There you go. 625 shares at 164.70. Just like that. But we are late. We should have gotten here. Lock in profit. No, don't do that. Look at the price. 164.5699. What do you understand from this? These are mostly dark.
Filled
I'm
on
out.
AAPL.
Now it goes to green. You get it. Now.
Got filled on AAPL.
$729 shares in Apple at 83.
Got filled on AAPL.
Yeah. Again, with the next move, we're gonna go back in. Oh, motherfucker. Nvidia is just doing its move now.
Got filled on AAPL.
Apple again in 662 shares at 164.90. It should break. No, I'm not liking this. See, 10 seconds of the decision making. Oh, there you go. It's a break. It's a break. We get a print 147. No one gonna stay in the trade. There you go. Look at that. People are hitting the ask. Orders are getting filled. Yeah. It's not breaking out smooth. Came back down, it's not a good sign. If it doesn't close above, I will get out. At any price. Must just break. 47. it goes red, I close it.
Got filled on A.
Ara Apple.
Hey guys, I will catch up with you guys in a bit.
Alright, bro.
All right.
Be safe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Thanks, you too. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye. Alright, so I'm looking at the Nvidia now. Nvidia just landed on yesterday's close and then bouncing. So this could be a good buy, but the volume is not good. It is. Yeah, the volume is not good. So, well, I'm doing just negative, positive, negative, positive. This is no good, you know? This is no good.
What are you doing, Dell?
Well, I tried Apple a couple of times, like 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. From these 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times positive, 1 negative, 1 are negative. So I'm not satisfied with the way that it's breaking and it's coming back down now. Maybe later today I will look at buying Apple, but not at the moment. From 1,600, I came back down to 982 because of Nvidia. Nvidia, I tried it once, twice, three times, and twice negative with 1 R. So each time 150. So that one actually hurt me, and I'm not liking the way that it moves. The only one that Neura is my short on Neura would be like awesome now, but well, this is the way that it is. I can short it again though. I have shares.
It's tough to tell what alpha should do if it's.
Yeah, I mean, look, if it wanted to break, it should have already broken smoothly. It's not. It's just this is very, very ugly that the way that it's behaving. You know. I like that it comes up here and I can short it from top here.
R6 almost.
Short. Yeah, I'm short it. No, Apple. No. Oh my fucking god! Fuck you, Apple! Fuck you! See? Fuck you!
Due to bullish continuation on the 15-minute. I was looking at it, but I was like, I don't know.
No, I got out. I was 662 shares in, and I got out.
What, at break even?
Yeah, I got at 92, and then this one. I mean, I'm pretty sure I was negative on it because at the end of the trade, I made $13, but my commissions. Let me see. 662 multiplied by 0.5. Yeah, I paid $33 of $3 of commissions. Yeah, I'm positive, $10 positive. Yay!
What's your saying, Dell? Green is green.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, you got me there. You got me there.
Sam didn't sound too bad. I have to wonder, but he was pretty quiet. You know, not saying anything. So
it's like we are 3 people right here. Oh my fucking god, this is not the window that I want to show. I really want to short Neuro again. Look at the VTX. This was the garbage that I was not paying attention to. This is the third candle, it may drop. If it drops lower than the low of day, that would be amazing. I'm going to short anyway. Look, my order is there.
What are you shorting?
Neuro. I'm looking for opportunity to short Neuro. Although it's, oh my fucking god. Okay, so I'm getting emotional and getting FOMO. So I'm gonna stop trading.
Good idea.
Yeah, I want to short this too.
I think Apple's extended. I might short Apple here coming up.
Short locate, like, what is this thing? PRFX. See, I'm late. Like, I'm literally late to this thing. Yeah, there you go. It reached the target magnitude. It was just this close to get halted. Oh, come on.
Got filled on PRFX.
I'm just shorting a parabolic move to the upside, 500 shares at 536.
On Neuro?
No, PRFX.
PRFX, where did that come from?
It's just moving crazy today.
Got filled on PRFX.
Oh, I forgot to look at the alerts coming in. Are they still coming in?
Out. Oh my look fucking god, BTX was my long runner today and I just neglected this thing. And when it went green, I was just like, yeah, I'm not liking this. I can even show the record. I'm not liking this. And now, since where I said I'm not liking this, it has moved $1 in 10 minutes. Yeah.
Sounds about right.
Yeah, sounds about right. Sounds about me.
Sounds about everyone.
Oh yeah? Everyone's making
problem.
$1 left and right
Like
on
I-
stocks?
Well, just when you kind of get stopped out or something doesn't do what you expect, you kind of lose interest in it. You go somewhere else, you come back, and then it does.
Yeah.
what you-
Yeah, the thing is, I
Right.
saw this. I just didn't like it. It's not like I just
Yeah, or-
start to bust your balls to say that, yeah, you just use alerts and then why you're not you're taking advantage of your platform's feature and crap like that. No, it just simply, it didn't work.
Is Apple short? Is Apple going to be shortable here?
Apple, no. Apple has more to go. It's just gonna think that you can short it, then gonna squeeze the crap out of you and just move to the upside. So either way, you're gonna go long or short. It's just gonna hit you hard.
Shit. Yeah, there's still big asks at 147.40 and 147.50.
Yeah, I think it's a SPY dropping down because also BTX is just mirroring fucking Apple.
Well, that's what I was saying. SPY and Apple.
Even if you said it, I said it first.
Ah. And you're still playing AMC.
Wow, I didn't check AMC today. Let me see. AMC is a 2-2 ref, and since penetrating back into the after it rejected at the top pre-market and close up yesterday, it started to drop, right? This is the short area, and this is the reshort area. It's not a bad short though. I don't mind shorting it neither. I'm gonna give it a try. I just need the accumulation. This is a widespread distribution. I need a accumulation first. You remember what were these two? Accumulation, distribution? Huh? Not just that. So it is when you have the price starts to both by volume and by the price range, price movement. It's when price gets stuck. That's accumulation. It could be one, it could be a range, getting stuck, couple of candles in one, and it could be like not stuck, but in one direction, but starts to, it's called pennant. Okay, like a flag. But flag is like this, but pennant is like this. So, okay, Neuro is a good short now. If it starts to go red, I will short it. 29 and the crack of 29.
Got filled on NURO.
Okay, I'm shorting Neuro in anticipation of break of LOT. Just like that, baby. Very aggressive, very aggressive. Yeah, it's gonna drop, but in the last 5 seconds, let's see. I will go in instantly, get out instantly if it doesn't. Oh, the spread is, this thing is a killer, man.
Got filled on NURO.
Neuro out. It went to $180 of profit, but I'm closing at fucking zero. We're just paying commission. $25 commission.
Got filled on NURO.
I'm gonna go above 1,000, then close my trade. I don't care how heavy it's gonna drop. No, just get out of the market. Just get out of the trade. It looks like a reversal. 48, I'm at 35. 32. Oh, the spread is wide. They are keeping me with the spread. 30 cent spread. It came to 12.770. It doesn't drop. Okay. Okay, drop. If it breaks LOD, 120 to minus 15 here. I want to drop to the LOD. It's a push. Yeah, there you go. 19. Look at these prices.
Got built on NURO.
I will attack this again. 500. This has to drop. You can see how beautifully stuck between ranges of the previous halts. Am I revenge trading?
Got built on NURO.
Are you serious?
Got built on NURO.
Let it rally up and then come back down. Even if it happens later, I will get this drop back. Let me see where is VWAP. Oh, this is dangerous. Study VWAP at the end. I thought that this would be the week out, but no.
Got built on NURO.
Okay, let's see. Everyone's buying long.
Got built on NURO.
I'm done. Yeah. What the fuck?
Got built on NURO.
If this breaks LOD, then we are talking. There you go. Then we are talking. Brent, you still around here?
Yeah, I was just on mute. Listening
Okay,
to
Apple
Brian.
to the break of HOD. There you go. I wanted this. I was looking for this. But there are gonna be lots of pushbacks. This can easily become a halt. What's the halt price? 25.60. So halt is the halt price. Is that if it drops lower than this price, it will get halted. 25.60. I don't think it's gonna get to there. It's here. I don't think it's gonna drop lower than this. to drop. If it doesn't, I will get out. Apple, Apple. It looks like Apple is failing to go higher. I don't know if it's SPY or.
Yeah, why is that VWAP right now?
No, that's why it looks like an indecisive move when it's ranging that like that. Go back down. 7 seconds. That's a decision-making point. Che cosa essere? No, if it goes right now with the best. Push to retouch the LOD, to retouch the LOD. Hopefully it drop back down from here. Today I'm paying $380 in commissions.
380?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Where are you sitting right now?
Nothing. I just went flat.
Green?
Oh yeah, I'm green. Yeah, of course. I'm going to gonna go long Apple.
Yeah,
Oh my
I
God!
know.
Look at Nuro. Look at
Well,
Nuro.
I can't tell what Apple's gonna do, so. It's already up at R6, pretty much.
Yeah, Apple broke. I forgot to. I mean, because I went back to Nuro, I didn't get the long on Apple. But we'll see.
Are you playing it off
Got
the 1
built on
minute still?
NURO.
You fucking trash. I got my execution, the price of execution instead of 27.26. I got at 27.20. I got at 26.76, 50 cents lower. Trump.
You talking about Apple?
No, a Nuro. Apple is just.
Oh,
Apple is looking good for a long. Well, I didn't get it, so I might not touch it.
Got filled on AAPL.
Yeah, I got in Apple. 450 shares at 28.
It just looks so extended, but fuck.
Yeah, I might get out.
Got filled on AAPL.
Yeah, I'm out in Apple. Oh, give me a drop. It's just. There's a drop. See how many times I tried to short it? Also,
Did you ever get into?
Look at Apple, motherfucker. Look at Apple.
I just didn't trust it.
Yeah, I trusted it, but I got out on the. I got wicked out. If it goes back inside of this line, I will close it no matter at what price.
Looks like you might go to 147.50 then.
Yeah, I'm thinking about
That
50 gonna be a turnaround price. 147.50, but my target was at least to stay to keep the price there, but it didn't do what I wanted, and destroyed my price, and then I'm just so pissed off at it. Look at it, at 50, turn around at 50. Tiene mucho potencial para bajar. Yeah. But
Supplies
4,
below
3,
map,
2,
so.
1. Close. Yeah. It's a drop. It's a drop. Even though it might come up, it's a drop. Can you look at Neuro and tell me about the price range?
Who, me?
Yeah. Level 2. If this one closes red, it's a sign that this is a reversal today. Wow.
Looks like there's larger bids down at 25, so 25.50. This is where Nero got a lot of support in the markets.
Yeah. I want to get out of it, but I want to also hold, because each time that I get in, I'm paying like fucking shit ton of commission. That I'm getting into 500 shares each time, so I rather prefer to hold it. But it doesn't look like it's a good hold. No. It looks a good short now. It did a week out. Now's the time to drop. I will get up on top here. Let me set stop.
Oh, Apple made it past 147.
Yeah, there you go. I wanted to, this is just it's inconsistent fucking market. Like, I fucking hate it. Truly hate it. Like, although I'm making money in the market, I'm fucking hating the way that market is behaving. There's nothing to like about it. Yeah, you in Apple?
Got filled on NURO.
This will drop back down again. How long is that? Another 40 minutes? I'm minus 200 from where I started to do this. I'm done. I'm gonna stop the stream here, and the day was pretty negative. I will make a recap video in a minute. So my stats are for today. They are more of how can I zoom here? Can I zoom? Yeah, I can't. Anyway, so I made in total I have made $1,121 after commissions. I'm $735. The best move of the day was going long in pre-market Neuro, and then after it dropped, I just didn't like it. It got halted, and I started to short it down here and shorting it all the way down here. Couple of losses around here, one loss long here, but then I got it back here. No, actually this was not a loss. A loss was here on the long going long this stock. So then we have BTX that we totally neglected. It's going still higher. It's gonna push for the higher side. Space what we did, let me see. Space for short is positive, space for long is negative. What I did was to go long after the break here. It didn't work as I wanted. I got out and then got long again, got destroyed, shorted, got out here, and then didn't touch the stock. Neuro, as I said, in pre-market long we did, and then a couple of shorts. Apple was long right at the gate, then another long got out. The last attempt was here, which you can see that I got in at 28. It went up to 55. This formation is the 2-1-2 bearish reversal. You can see the combo here, 2-1-2 bearish reversal on the second row. Then we have J&J that I tried to go long here, and I attempted long, and then I added. You can see 550 shares in, and then it went negative. I could have shorted the stock when it went red, but well, that's not the way that I do. And this is stock. Nvidia was the worst of the day. Based on, you can see here, based on the 2-2 continuation, I thought that it's gonna come down and then go back up. So I longed based on 1 minute ORB, got out with loss, got in again, wicked out, although it was a good long. Then I had it here, another long loss, and then I didn't basically touch it. I wanted to go long here, but I didn't. IGC is a very active stock today. I don't like the price. And PRFX, look at this thing. I shorted it at 500 shares at 36, and now it is $1 lower. Well, that was the getting out of range. If I just held my stop, which was on top here, I would have got all of this move, because like it doesn't get out of the range. Here it might get out, but not in this one, and not in this one. So, well, that's about it. It was how many shares? 500 shares. It is a missed. If you get out, missed $1 is $500 here, and that's about it. Was a good day, and until tomorrow, you have a good one.